Hello everyone, this is the picture I did earlier this month and I've finally popped her in a frame. This is my actual dog. Her name is Missy and I've popped her name in it, and if you do a drawing with me I will probably pop her name in it, and that's where I sign it. And if you go up real close you can see the detail. And if you come back here, I'm pretty happy with how she looks in the frame, so she'll probably sit here until I'm old and grey. Hope you like it. If you're interested in getting a pet portrait done, just message me via any of the socials, or click on the link and go to the website and have a look at my prices. Thank you. Bye.